Are you thinking of buying from USA Health Awareness? Wait before you do, because what we found might surprise you. At first glance, usahealthawareness.com looks like a heartfelt shop dedicated to spreading awareness for important causes like breast cancer, Alzheimer's, and other health issues. They showcase clothing, accessories, and awareness-themed products that appear meaningful and supportive. But once we took a closer look, things didn't seem as inspiring as they appeared. The site was only registered in April 2025, which makes it very new and a bit suspicious for a store that claims to be helping long-term causes. Many of the product images seem copied from other websites, suggesting that the store might not even own or produce the items it displays. Another concern is transparency. There's no real evidence showing that any percentage of sales actually goes to charities or health organizations, even though the entire website is built around that idea. Plus, their contact page lists only an email address, no phone number, no business address, and no verifiable company details. These are classic warning signs for shoppers who want to make sure their money supports a real cause. On the other hand, the site looks visually clean and easy to navigate, and it does offer a range of products that could appeal to people who love wearing awareness gear. But when a business uses health-related causes to attract customers, it's important that it proves its legitimacy, something USA Health Awareness doesn't seem to do clearly. So while it might not be an outright scam, it also doesn't inspire full confidence either. If you're thinking about buying, proceed with caution, check for real reviews, and make sure your money truly supports the cause you care about.